extinct. So they say 80 years. They love pecans and worms, skull power, beautiful feathers, the Native Americans say. Red fin on his head and an ivory bill. Lord God bird, Lord God bird, Lord God bird, they say. Eating a jack pine sap with a gnarly bark. White lightning bolts on his back. Ebony feathers. Eat, eat, eat. Ivory bill woodpecker, ivory bill woodpecker flying by. Ivory bill woodpecker. Eat, eat, eat. In Arkansas, Louisiana, Dalton, Alabama, East Texas and the Everglades. Ivory bill woodpecker, ivory bill woodpecker. Lord God, that bird is beautiful. Lord God, that bird is beautiful.